Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 6 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. And to get started, you can pull down your notification panel straight from the top, expand it, and look for the hotspot toggle. Oh, there we go, it's on the last page, at least that is where it is for me. I believe this is the default location, so for you it's probably on the same place where it is for me, which is right at the end. So once you find your toggle, you want to hold it if you're doing this the first time around, and assuming you are watching this, that's probably the case. And the reason you want to hold it is it gives you access to settings, and in here when you tap on Wi-Fi hotspot, you have access to Hotspot Password, which as you can see by default is just some randomly generated garbage. Hard to remember, or almost impossible to remember, and even hard to write it down because as you can see it alters between normal letters, capital ones, and numbers. So what I recommend you to do is just simply remove this one and set your own. Now your password does need to have 8 characters in length, at which point you will be able to save it. And while you're here, you can also change things like the hotspot name if you want to. As you can see, it's just the name of the device, so Pixel, though it has a serial number or just like model number next to it. Security, keep it as it is, otherwise you will just turn off your password and anybody can connect to it. We have turn off hotspot automatically. I do recommend keeping this on. It saves you a little battery when you forget to turn off your hotspot yourself. Once you're done with it, the device will do it for you. And we have also extend compatibility. I believe this turns on 5 gigahertz as well as the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, so basically any device can connect to it. If you are going to be connecting to this hotspot with something that supports 5 gigahertz, I probably wouldn't toggle it on. Just keep it as it is. So anyway, once you went through the settings right here and customize them, you can basically go back, close this, and turn on your hotspot whenever you need to use it. And obviously, now that you changed your password, you actually know what it is, so you can use it to log into your hotspot. So there we go. That is how you'd set it up and use it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.